There is a realm of existence so far beyond your own, you cannot even imagine it. I am beyond your comprehension. I am sovereign. Rudimentary creatures of blood and flesh, you touch my mind, fumbling in ignorance, incapable of understanding. Reaper, a label created by the Protheans to give voice to their destruction. In the end, what they chose to call us is irrelevant. We simply are. Organic life is nothing but a genetic mutation, an accident. Your lives are measured in years and decades. You wither and die. Before us, you are nothing. My kind transcends your very understanding. We are each a nation, independent, free of all weakness. You cannot even grasp the nature of our existence. Organic civilizations rise, evolve, advance, and at the apex of their glory, they are extinguished. We are legion. The time of our return is coming. Our numbers will darken the sky of every world. You cannot escape your doom. You exist because we allow it, and you will end because we demand it. Destruction. This exchange